Halloween night. Halloween is fun. Halloween is fun. My mom buys candy. My mom buys candy. My mom buys potato chips. My mom buys potato chips. My mom buys chocolate bars. My mom buys chocolate bars. It is for the trick-or-treaters. It is for the trick-or-treaters. My mom buys me a costume. My mom buys me a costume. It is a ghost costume. It is a ghost costume. I am going to be scary. I am going to be scary. My sister is going to dress up as a princess. My sister is going to dress up as a princess. She will have a wand. She will have a wand. She will have a crown. She will have a crown. She will look beautiful. She will look beautiful. My dad buys a pumpkin. My dad buys a pumpkin. It is going to be a jack-o'-lantern. It is going to be a jack-o'-lantern. We draw a face on the pumpkin. We draw a face on the pumpkin. We carve the face with a knife. We carve the face with a knife. Our jack-o'-lantern looks funny. Our jack-o'-lantern looks funny. We go trick-or-treating. We go trick-or-treating. We knock on the neighbor's door. We knock on the neighbor's door. We say, trick-or-treat. We say, trick-or-treat. Our neighbors give us candy. Our neighbors give us candy. We say thanks. We say thanks. We go to many houses. We go to many houses. We go home. We go home. Our parents check our candy. Our parents check our candy. It's safe. It's safe. We eat lots of candy. We eat lots of candy. We don't feel very good. We don't feel very good. We go to bed. We go to bed.